We are from Group 2 UGE2002 Technopreneurship Section 5P. We are chosen Apple Business Model Canvas as our title. First of all, I'm going to tell you guys how Apple as a company delights its company to their customer and make money. I'm focusing on Apple as a cooperation rather than iPhone, iPad, computers or anything else. And Apple Business Model Canvas was designed by Alexander Osterwalders. My name is Benedict, matrix ID CA19109. First, we have the customer segment. Apple business model targets mass market consumers. This is hundreds of millions of consumers. They may be middle class and very affluent. It may be marketed as a premium product, but it is a mass market electronic good. There are smaller customers segment that is focused on for non-handheld products. Designer and entrepreneur both use and love Mac product, but in 2019 this is a relatively small proportion of Apple revenue.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is SYAZWANA binti SAHARBANI. My ID number is TF19034. So today I'm gonna present about a value position of an Apple. You know that Apple such a big company that well known in worldwide. So here value position, there are three value position in this company. First of all is think different. Apple was speaking to creative the people who want to think different. So their product gain traction among professional designer and movie maker because of their creativity and the difference between the other company. Second is technology that work. They provide us the technology that will work with a better alternative and smooth. As a user of an Apple product, that we know when we using Apple product, the product goes smooth and more organized. And the last one is our privacy is safe with them. We want to create a safe registering ecosystem that make user want to remain part of it. So when we use Apple product, we should never worry about the technology will scam us. All the data and what we call all the data and the money that we lend it safe with them. That's all from me. Thank you.
And good days. My name is Chaniwa and my matrix ID is CA19059. And now I will talk about the key activities of the Apple company. The key activities of the Apple companies are designing and selling their products. They are famously fastidious in all aspects of the hardware and software design of their products. They also invest a lot in quality control to ensure the product meets the standard of their customer needs. Aside from design and quality control, the branding is a huge part of what Apple does. Apple is extremely conscious of controlling the image of its projects, and it has painstakingly and consciously cultivated an image of quality, precision, and the class that enable it to justify the highest price tag of its product comment that related to its rival. Sale of the third-party digital content through the iTunes Store channel is one of another key activities that generate a modest portion of Apple revenue. Thank you.
My name is Yong CA1908. Now I'm going to present and explain briefly about key partners and key resources. So for Apple company, Apple has three key partners. Firstly is Apple Store developers. Secondly is music industry. Thirdly is televisions and movie industry. So let me explain first about Apple Store developers. So Apple Store developers provides an avenue through which the user can access and download mobile applications on their iPhone smartphone, iPod Touch, Apple Watch, and iPad table computer. So these users are allowed to browse and download applications with the company's iPhone operating software development kit. Secondly is about music industry. So Apple is also working with music industry to provide entertainment to the user of its products. So over the past years, Apple has succeeded in reinventing and redefining certain elements of the music industries. So for example, the introductions of iTunes has helped to revolutionize the music industry. So let me take another example. In the year 2003, the company launched items that enable the organizations to sell MP3s. So these single MP3s sold for 99 cents each. So from that point, the company grew the platform into a widely spread and profitable investment. So iTunes eventually become the leading music retailer in the United States. So thirdly is about televisions and movie industry. So this Apple company has also invested in television industry through its Apple TV app. So these applications enables users to watch shows and movies in HK in 4K in 4K HDR quality. It allows also the user to stream live news, sports, and other entertainment contents from apps such as Netflix. This company has also partnered with Hollywood producers to air some of its contents through Apple TV. So this is meant to boost the views on the TV, from which it will open avenues for advertising and other businesses. So secondly, I will explain briefly about key resources. So for the key resources of the Apple company, firstly, we have distribution networks. So this company serves millions of clients around the globe through its retail outlets, which is located in different parts of the world. So for example, this company has managed to establish 497 stores in 17 countries. So besides that, the key resource is physical resources. So this Apple company has another physical resources such as vehicles, buildings, and systems. So in addition, Apple company has the human and physical resources as one of the key resources. So for example, this company has employed about 116,000 full-time employees operating in various countries. So besides, it is intellectual resources. So let me explain a bit about intellectual resources. So it refers to the company's employee skills, business training, and proprietary information which may provide the organizations with a competitive advantage. So for this in this Apple company, these intellectual resources include copyrights, trademarks, and patents. So that's all. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. Now I will talk about revenue stream. for the Apple company. Okay. Apple have two types of revenue stream that they generate. The first one is from the sales of their electronic device. Apple's electronic device consists of iPhone, iPad, Mac device, wearable device like watch series, and home device like HomePod. Okay. From all of these sales of their device, Apple generates about 15.14 billion USD in the fourth quarter of 2020 alone. Okay, for the second one, the second type of revenue that they are generate is from service like Apple Care, Apple Music, and the new one Apple TV. And from their service, they generate about 14.55 billion USD in fourth quarter of 2020. I will talk about cost structure for the Apple company. So Apple spends a lot of their money on manufacturing their own goods, unlike the competitor. For example, Apple make almost every part of their iPhone alone, without any help from other company. This is because they are invest heavily in every aspect of the design and quality control of their own product. But because of that, it costs them a lot of money. Other than that, because they mainly operate on a premium type of device, like iPhone alone now costs about 1,000 USD. Because of their expensive device, they have to expend a lot of resource in marketing and maintaining their brand image, so that they can convince customer to buy their product, even though their product is very expensive.
Good day, sir. My name is Tang, metric ID CA19101. First, thank you for my friend presentation, and I will continue to next point, which is customer relationship. They have three types of service, which is self-service, personal assistant, and lock-in. For the self-service, Apple provides service that let customer think on buying things from the App Store on iTunes. Besides, for the service lock-in, Apple company using iTunes as growing media database and make customer buying more and more apps for the iDevice, such as iTunes, iPad, and iPod. And this is making the customer hard to change the platform. Furthermore, for the personal assistant, Apple maintains its strong relationship with its customer through number of channels such as Genius Bar, telephone customer support chat, and online customer support. And in addition, it is to provide in-person assistant at their various stores worldwide. That's from me, thank you.
So, my name is Yujayi, metric ID CA19068. Today we are going to discuss about the distribution channel of the Apple company. A distribution channel is the method that producers use to get their product to consumer. There are several distribution channels that are used by Apple company, and most of them can be categorized into two categories, that is direct method or indirect method. For direct method, the company has a website that is called www.apple.com that allow the user to buy their product directly. The second distribution channel is Apple Store that located around the world. And the third method is iTunes Store. The iTunes Store functions as a channel through which digital content is sold. The digital content include apps, TV show, song, and iBooks. And for the indirect method, the Apple company will cooperate with the largest e-commerce platform, that is Amazon, to sell their product. Let's discuss about the misunderstanding concept of Apple distribution channel. I know most of the people might assume that Apple Store are the primary driver of Apple revenue, but actually this is wrong. Apple Store are a crucial driver of its revenue, but they are not a primary driver. In 2018, according to Apple annual report, the company net sales through direct channel is 29% of its revenue, while there are 71% of net sales are coming from its indirect distribution channel. That's all from me. Thank you.